The Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, has launched a full investigation following the tragic discovery of 3 young children found dead in a boot of a Mercedes-Benz vehicle at a car park in Kuwadzana extension Harare. Zvisarapinda mashoko anobuda panguva ine kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa vana vatatu avoonekwa vakafa aiwa mubhuti yemota Kuwadzana. Vana vatatu vaishayikwa mazuva akapfuura, vakatanga kushayikwa musi wa1 October. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. The victims have been identified as Anopaishe Muzango 3 years, Ananyasha Muzango 1 year 3 months, and Raymond Matsiwe 4 years. Police confirmed the bodies were discovered on 3rd October 2025, 2 days after children had been reported missing. According to authorities, the children were last seen on the morning of 1st October 2025 at around 10 a.m. playing outside their home while their mothers were busy with their household chores. In a statement released today, ZRP moved to dispel social media claims that no action has been taken after the children were reported missing. Police confirmed that a missing person report was filed on the same day, 1 October, in the Police General Headquarters, contrary to online allegations of negligence. The Office of Commissioner General of Police and other senior officers reportedly became formally aware of the case on the night of the 2nd October after a freelance journalist raised concern that local police had already been informed, but little progress was visible. Authorities say investigations are ongoing to establish how the minors ended up in the vehicle and the exact circumstances surrounding their deaths. The incident has sent shockwaves through the Kuwadzana community and beyond, with the families and residents demanding answers. Police have urged the public to remain calm and allow investigations to proceed, promising to provide further updates in due course. Ndomwe zvakaruda panguva ine pasituation yakaitika Kuwadzana yoonekwa kunzi yarwadza vana mai zvakanyanyisa, vachionekwa kunzi vana vatatu vakashayika vozoonekwa vakafa. Chitiko chinorwadza zvingamboite. Tuzive mafungiro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section menu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.